Hello guys. I roll a kitsune, bro. I'm first time the roll kitsune. This the kitsune fruit. And I have 4 mythical. I will trade this for dragon. Sorry, I'm lagging. Sorry guys, I'm lagging. Let's go to trade. Okay. Trading spirit to leopard. That's my question. I want leopard. Guys, I roll a kitchen. Look guys, I roll a kitchen. Look, wow, kitchen food. It's good for grinding this. A shadow or pocket hill. Sorry. This is my and these are my dragon breed, Buddha, and Kabuto from Grengoku. So sorry, I am not the master of Kabuto and Grengoku. Okay, let's the spirit. Let's trade the spirit fruit. This fruit. Let's trade spirit. Spirit fruit. Yes. I want kitsune. Okay. Bro, what happened here in the cave? Bro, is this a control? Bro, what is that? Oh, bro, it's a dove. Dove, the rolling donut. What happened here? Let's go to the down. Wow, kitchen is good. If I disconnected the kitchen food, I lost the kitchen food. The kitchen food is I roll before. Okay, I hope you like the video. Bye bye.